Over the past several years, I've reviewed numerous cat litter boxes, but the PAWBBY P1 Ultra I'm introducing today is by far the most aesthetically pleasing. Its stylish minimalist design, perfect color matching, and premium wood texture seamlessly blend into my house, complementing the decor. Even Amber, upon seeing this litter box, showed no fear. She playfully rolled on her back and comfortably used the toilet during the filming process, adding authenticity to my review. In this video, I provide an honest overview, highlighting what I like, areas for improvement, and whether it's worth getting. PAWBBY Smart Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. Alright, so open the box, we can see there is a pad, some warnings there, and also a multi-language manual, very detailed. Okay, let's put down. We have a quick guide here, just in case if you are like too lazy, just check this out and everything will be good. Okay, let me just take the thing out. Okay, let's check out all the accessories. Obviously, litter bags here, a charging adapter, and then we have the deodorizing powder. Okay, that's basically what's all in the box. With the unboxing complete, let's take a closer look. The P1 Ultra is well packaged with foam at the front and inside, secure with the tabs to prevent damage during transportation. A big thumbs up for that. After removing all the tabs, we can open the upper lid, lift the cat litter compartment, and remove the remaining foam between the compartment and the main body. That's all the preparation needed before you can introduce this PAWBBY to your cats. Before we proceed, let's dive into the design details, as it's one of PAWBBY's highlights. Stored inside the cat litter compartment, you can easily remove or install the filter. The litter cushion is waterproof and scratch resistant, and it can also be taken off for cleaning. Max text on it indicates the max cat litter level. Moving the compartment off will reveal the gearing that moves it. Align the slot and put it back. The globe should remain stationary if installed correctly. On the front panel, there's a small LED screen, and there are also several infrared sensors at the entry. Once the cat approaches, the litter box will automatically stop to ensure the safety of your cats. I will demonstrate that in a second. Moving down, you'll find a waste collecting drawer. Note that there's a slot on the drawer for installing the deodorizing powder. For additional features, there are 4 foot stands and 2 handle slots on both sides, allowing you to move this with ease. At the back, there's a power port. Simply plug in the adapter, you can conveniently store the cable in the provided slot. By the way, the cable is bite-proof, just in case your cats get a bit naughty. Once connected to the power source, the front screen will light up, and the machine will enter the self-checking process, which takes about 2 minutes. During this stage, all you need to do is wait. When finished, a reminder on the LED screen will display cat litter depleted, signaling that it's time to add a cat litter. Lift the upper lid, and you can add litter from the compartment port. To ensure the best cleaning ability, I will list recommended and not so recommended litter types for the PAWBBY on the screen. Put the top lid back, and the machine will enter flattening mode automatically, where it starts to rotate and flatten the litter. After that, the PAWBBY is ready to go. While waiting for my beloved Amber to use it, let me walk you through the app. The home interface displays how many times my cat used the toilet and the last time she toileted. Click in provides more information about the remaining litter, waste bin, and the deodorizing powder. Moreover, there's a detailed recording of the litter box, including the weight and time duration Amber stayed in the toilet, allowing me to monitor her health. The history tab shows total toilet times in a week or month, with the option to select the time period. This super detailed app covers everything you can think of. In the control tab, you can choose to clean or flatten litter, and it will do as you ask. The app even includes corresponding animations, making it super interesting. It's all about the details, mate. There's also sleep mode in case you don't want it to disturb you while you are sleeping. For noise concerns, here's a brief description. It's small yet not annoying. Screen lock prevents accidental touches. And there's even soft clamps mode for cats that produce softer waste. There are some advanced features on the app, but I'll leave it to you to explore more because Amber just cannot wait to use the litter box. While some cats may take a few more days to get used to the small litter box, you can check some tips online. Amber got used to it the first day I put PAWBBY here. She became so comfortable with it, as if she were meeting an old friend. After Amber leaves the litter box, it enters the self-cleaning countdown, which you can set the duration for in the app. PAWBBY then automatically rotates to bury the waste right in the well, as shown in the video. The waste is dumped into the dustbin, followed by flattening the litter, waiting quietly for the next use. Now, let me show you how to replace the dust bag. The bag comes with a convenient drawstring design, so you just put together 2 strings to seal the waste, making it easy to dispose of the bag. That's basically the whole process of Amber's reusing experience with the PAWBBY. Before entering the pros and cons, let me talk a little bit more about the LED screen. Believe me, not many cat litter boxes come with this design. The homepage displays information like Wi-Fi, how many times your cat has toileted, and the cat litter capacity. Press the down key to switch between different options such as clean now, flatten litter, ambient litter, etc. You can choose the item you want and then press the right key to proceed. Easy peasy. The good thing is it always shows the status in real time whenever it detects something, like when you remove the top lid or when the cat approaches. Great responsiveness. Speaking of great things, let me summarize my pros and cons from my real-life using experience. As much as Amber enjoyed the PAWBBY, I did encounter a few minor cons. The biggest one, as you can see, is that when Amber jumps out of the litter box after using it, because the engine is close to the litter compartment, it always carries more or less litter out. For this, I appreciate that PAWBBY kindly offers a pad that effectively collects the falling litter. By the way, the pad adopts a 2-layer design for easier collecting and cleaning. Secondly, when I'm doing the water cleaning for the cat litter compartment, I find it a bit hard to wash the bottom clean as some litter might get stuck there. So if the package includes a brush or something, it will ensure much better cleaning performance. And I could use that for the feeder as well. Apart from these 2 little imperfections for me, everything else is great with the PAWBBY and makes me truly recommend to cat owners. The elegant and premium design, as I mentioned at the beginning, is loved by every cat owner I've shown it to. It blends into the house seamlessly and doesn't feel obtrusive to me or the cat. Amber feels so relaxed when getting around the PAWBBY. Secondly, noteworthy is the safety protection. As learned from official information, the PAWBBY P1 Ultra is the world's first smart cat litter box certified with the Ryan TUV Pet Safe certification. Though I have no idea what that is, the P1 Ultra feels really safe to use. Whenever Amber approaches it, the machine stops instantly to prevent any possible damage. This sometimes leads to excessive concern for safety and, at times, a slightly longer duration for the litter box to finish self-cleaning. As Amber is always curious to check out the litter box while functioning, however, I loved it. As long as my cat can be absolutely safe, I'm willing to sacrifice a bit more time for that. Thirdly, the smart features are excellent. With zero learning curve for any new users, the PAWBBY can do everything by itself. Besides, the super detailed and intuitive app and LED screen are the big plus, making my user experience even smoother and flawless. While some may have doubts about the size or capacity of the PAWBBY, I found it to be just the perfect size for me. I don't want a big size cat litter box as I live in a compact house with a limited space and I only have 1 cat. So I feel like a PAWBBY P1 Ultra is perfectly made for me. And if you are the same, then this is a no-brainer for you. If you are interested, please find the link in the description. Thanks for watching. I'm Sami. I'll see you in the next one.